Welcome back. We will display the Edit Modal form when the user clicks on this pencil icon. Add Edit Parent Category method inside Categories Livewire component class. At this point, we need to populate the form based on the selected parent category. Set this mode to true. As you can see, the selected parent category name appears in this input field. Also, the modal title has been updated. The hidden input field now holds the value of the selected parent category ID. Next, we'll add the update functionality for the parent category in the Categories Livewire component class. We need to validate the form. The parent category name must be required and unique in the parent_categories table. Let's check if the validation works. Great, the validation works perfectly. Now, suppose you try to use an existing name. If you do, you will see this error message. Let's move forward. Once the form is validated, update the parent category details. If the update fails, display an error message. But if the parent category is successfully updated, hide the modal dialog and display a success message. Let's test it. Suppose I need to edit this parent category name. As you can see, the success message is displayed. The parent category has now been updated. By checking the database, we can see the updated parent category. In the next video, we'll reorganize these parent categories.